Hello students, welcome back to my channel Essential English with Ridvan. I'm so excited to teach you the difference between the present continuous and present simple tense in today's video. Now, this lesson can be a little bit difficult, so I'll do my best to keep it easy and fun for you. Let's get started. You see, I am doing and I do. Present continuous and present simple. Mick is watching television. Here, for example, and here, Mick is watching television. He is not playing the guitar. Right now, he is watching television. You see in the picture? And he is not playing the guitar. It's temporary thing. That's why we use present continuous. Mick has a guitar. He often plays it and he plays very well. What's the difference between that question sentences and it's not temporary thing? He always has a guitar. He often plays it. It's not temporary. And he plays very well. He plays every day very well. Not for this time, okay? It's permanent. And for example, Mick plays the guitar, but he is not playing the guitar now. You see here? He is not playing the guitar now. He is watching TV, but he plays the guitar because he has a guitar. What's the difference between Mick plays the guitar and he is not playing the guitar? The difference is plays the guitar, it's general, it's present simple, but he is not playing the guitar, it's not general, it's present continuous, it's present progressive, as it's also called. That's why we have to use here present continuous, not present simple. Present simple, he plays the guitar generally, but he is not playing the guitar. Perhaps in your language there isn't any difference because in many languages there is no difference between the way that these two ideas are expressed. Mick plays and Mick is playing. But in English there is a difference in the idea and the way that we say it. Let me explain what's the difference. And the next one, is he playing the guitar? No, he isn't. Right now, he is watching TV. So, the answer to the question, is he playing the guitar? No, he isn't. Right now, it's a temporary thing. He is not playing the guitar, for example, maybe for 2 hours, for 5 hours. Does he play the guitar? It's generally. Yesterday, 10 days ago, did he play the guitar? Of course. That's why we say, yes, he does. He generally plays the guitar. But right now, in the specific time, right now, he doesn't play the guitar. Let's look at some grammar. Present simple, present, it's present simple and present continuous. Present simple, general, permanent. Present continuous, progressive, now, temporary. Present continuous, I'm working. Now, at the time of speaking. That means, you see, past, now, and future. And I'm working related to now. I'm working right now at a specific time. Okay? And here's some examples. Let's look at that. Please be quiet. I'm working, not I work. In the specific time, right now, I'm working. And that's why I used I'm working, present continuous, not I work. I work in general. Rose is having a shower at the moment, not Rose has. Is having a shower, that means Rose now, right now, in the bathroom. is in the bathroom. That's why we use is having a shower. But Rose has a shower. That means it belongs to Rose. Rose has a shower, not is having. That's why is having a shower in the present continuous. Great. The next one. Take an umbrella with you. It's raining. Maybe it rains there a lot, but right now it's raining. That's why you should take an umbrella. Present continuous. You can turn off the television. I'm not watching it. Not I don't watch. I'm not watching it. That means temporary. Right now I'm not watching it. Maybe I'm reading a book. Maybe I'm cooking. Maybe I'm sleeping. But I don't watch. Personally, me, I don't watch TV at all because I use my laptop. I use my tablet. I'm watching YouTube, and I don't watch TV at all. So I can say I don't watch TV at all. But I'm not watching it right now in this specific time. Okay, the next one. Why are you under the table? What are you doing? What are you doing? That means right now. Why are you under the table right now? What are you doing there? Maybe they're playing some games or something like that. And that's why we have to use here present continuous right now, temporary thing. It's a temporary thing because he is not always sitting under the table for 5, 10, maybe 1 hour. Okay, it was the end of the part 1. Let's move on to the next part 2. This is part 2. Present simple. I do. In general. All the time. Sometimes. I do. You see, past, now, future. It's related to past, now, and future. Here's some examples. I work every day from 9 o'clock to 5:30. I work. Of course, we should use here present simple. Present simple is for something that's more or less permanent. For example, if you have a job, of course, no job or thing in life is necessarily permanent. What does permanent mean? That it lasts all the time. But let's say you're not changing your work every day. Therefore, more or less, this is the job you'll always have. This is your permanent job. So then, for those kind of activities, we use present simple and we say, I work. And from 9 o'clock to 5:30, it's a schedule, it's a routine. So we definitely have to use present simple. Next one, Tom has a shower every morning. Tom has a shower every morning. Every morning. It's repeated action. He does it every day. That's why we have to use present simple. But Tom is having a shower like that here. Rose is having a shower. That means he right now is having a shower. But here he is not doing that action right now. But usually every morning he has a shower. The next one. It rains a lot in winter. Of course, we always know it rains a lot in winter, but it is not raining. It rains, that means maybe 3 times per week, 4 times per week, 5 times per week. It rains a lot in winter, but it is raining. It means it's raining right now. Okay. Next one. I don't watch TV very often. What does it mean? Personally, me, I don't watch TV very often. So I can say I don't watch TV very often. But I'm not watching TV very often in present continuous. You see here, I'm not watching it. That means I'm not watching it right now. Okay? But usually I don't watch TV very often. It's not temporary, it's permanent. Okay, it's schedule, it's routine. What do you usually do at the weekends? what do you usually do at weekends? And here we ask always, every weekend, what you do. And that's why we say, what do you usually do? What are you usually doing? It's not correct, because with usually we always use present simple. Now it was the end of the part 2. Let's move on to part 3. It's part 3. And here our last grammar. We don't use these verbs in the present continuous. You see, repeat them after me. Like, want, know, understand, need, remember, prefer, mean, believe, forget, and there are some more verbs in English we don't use in present continuous, but these are very popular of them. Okay, these verbs are non-continuous verbs. These are verbs that we don't use in continuous form, even if they are happening right now. They are also called stative verbs. These are connected with thoughts, opinions, feelings, emotions, our 5 senses. Let's look at these examples. You see, I use only the present simple with these verbs. I want, do you like? For example, I like orange juice, not I am liking. Why? That's an emotion. So I use the present simple tense. Anne is tired. She wants to go home, not she's wanting. Anne is a girl name, it's she. With she we use the main verb plus s, and to go home, not she's not wanting. Why? This is talking about feeling. That's why we should use here, we have to use here present simple. Next one, do you know that girl? Yes, but I don't remember her name. We cannot use here present continuous. For example, are you knowing? It is not correct. It is not correct. Do you know that girl? It's correct. We have to use present simple. Even though it's happening right now, with know, we cannot use is non-continuous verb. So we say, do you know? And the last one, I don't understand. What do you mean? And also here, what are you meaning? We cannot say. It's also feeling, it's also emotion, it's also thoughts, feeling, emotion, opinion. We cannot use in present continuous. I don't understand. What do you mean? It's the correct one. We always have to use these non-continuous verbs with in present simple. Okay, like, want, know, understand, need, remember, prefer, mean, believe, forget. Okay, alright, let's move on. Good job, guys. Be sure to check out my other videos in order to repeat the other English rules or learn some new ones. Enjoy learning English, and please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button if you didn't do that already, so you don't miss out on future content. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.